Curious about how to make the most of AI's rapid growth? Master 3 skills, and you'll be unstoppable in the new AI era. Hi, and welcome to How to Easy Quick. Today, we'll go over 3 skills that can help you take advantage of the AI revolution happening right now. Imagine gaining the tools you need to stay ahead in this changing world. Number 1. Learn to build software with AI. AI is making it possible for more people to create software. Imagine being able to develop an app that serves millions. AI tools are making this possible without deep programming knowledge, which means anyone with a good idea can make it happen. Learning to build with AI is like a superpower, giving you the freedom to create and share impactful tools with the world. Instead of big companies controlling the market, everyday creators like you can build something that adds value and makes a profit. Number 2. Master content creation. Developing the software itself isn't enough. You need people to find it. Creating engaging, organic content is one of the most cost-effective ways to reach a larger audience. The best part? You don't need to spend a dime. Start by making videos, blog posts, or social media posts that educate or entertain users around the software you're building. This way you're building an audience that's already interested in what you're offering. With strong content, you can reach thousands, even millions, without paying for ads. Number 3. Learn to run paid ads. Once you've built a base of users, running ads can help you grow even faster. Platforms like Meta, formerly Facebook, Google, and TikTok have powerful ad tools that allow you to target your ideal audience. The same skills you build with content creation will also help you with ads, since the best ads feel like engaging content rather than promotions. Once you're comfortable with organic reach, try adding ads to scale your impact and reach. Mastering these 3 skills can help you make the most of the AI wave. By learning AI software, creating engaging content, and using ads, you'll have everything you need to launch a successful product and keep scaling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for more money-making videos. See you in the next video.